Welcome. Today we'll review some key benefits of adding a Rogers Premium Device Protection Plan to your mobile account. Let's go! Because life moves fast and accidents happen, adding a premium device protection plan to your phone or tablet can offer you peace of mind, knowing that you have comprehensive protection against things like accidental damage, including liquid damage, malfunctions, and loss or theft. You can get premium device protection for your phone or tablet up to 60 days after activating your new device. Plus, it will give you access to same-day repairs on most devices and replacement for lost or stolen devices as early as the next day. With low processing fees for repairs and replacements, you'll be able to access fast and efficient service no matter how tight your budget is. And you'll love knowing that your first broken phone screen repair is on us. We know how important your phones and tablets are. So go to rogers.com/device protection and add a premium device protection plan to your account today.